Hi, my name's Daniel, and today I want to talk about the 4 different species of praying mantises that are non-native to the US. So the first 2 I want to talk about, they're very similar and they're closely related because they belong to the same genus, Tenodera. So you have the Chinese mantis, which is Tenodera sinensis, and then there's the narrow-winged mantis, or Japanese mantis, which is Tenodera angustipennis. And the thing with these 2 species, you have this distinctive green band on the side of the wing, and they can be brown or green. Now, even when you have a green Tenodera, you can still see the green band on the side of the wing because you can see that there's 2 shades of green. So because of that, you can still make out the green band. Now, the way you tell these 2 apart is that the Chinese mantis, if you look underneath, you have a yellow patch on the underside between the 2 raptorial forelimbs, whereas with the narrow-winged mantis or Japanese mantis, you have this bright orange patch instead. And also the narrow-winged mantis, as the name suggests, has a narrower body. And when you look at the hind wing of the narrow-winged mantis, it is transparent with a brown pattern, whereas in the Chinese mantis you have brown hind wings and brown pattern. So the hind wing in the Chinese mantis, it kind of looks like the hind wing's been coffee stained. And next we have the European mantis, which is usually a green colour. Now this mantis is very distinctive if you know where to look. At the base of the raptorial forelimbs, you can see 2 eye spots, so that helps to distinguish the European mantis from all the other ones. And the last introduced species that's not native to North America is the Mediterranean mantis, or Iris oratoria. Now this one it's green just like the European mantis, Mantis religiosa. However, this one, it's quite distinctive because on the hind wings you have this rather large dark spot, and this mantis, this Mediterranean mantis, is sexually dimorphic. So the females, they have short wings, about 3/4 the length of the abdomen, and the males have well-developed wings. And lastly, I want to talk about one species of mantis that is native to the USA, which is the Carolina mantis. Now the Carolina mantis, This one's also sexually dimorphic, so the female has short wings, like 3/4 the length of the abdomen. So that makes the Carolina mantis, Stigma mantis carolina, rather similar to the Mediterranean mantis. However, the Carolina mantis lacks that large dark spot on the hind wings, so instead you have this little dark patch on the forewings instead of the hind wings. And that's it for today's video, and that's the 4 different species of non-native mantises that's found in the US.